Hi friends, very good afternoon. I hope all you are doing really well. Friend, today we will discuss about what are the types of EC2s. As we know, in last session we had discussed about the multiple aspects from the EC2, like what are the types itself, like general purpose, compute optimized, plus storage optimized and memory optimized. So there are n numbers of categories of EC2. So going forward, we will discuss about what are the types of EC2, especially for the first category, which is general purpose instance. So guys, let's start it without time wasting. So, so first question is, in what sizes instances are available? Okay. Before giving the particular explanation for this, some guys, instances are available in terms of the configuration in particularly cloud. So these sizes would be nano size, small size, medium size, large size, right? So friends, nano size will be like low configuration in instances, small size resources configuration between I mean which comes between nano and medium sizes, and medium sizes in instances means average configuration instances, and large size means advanced configurations part. So depending on our requirement, we have to choose the particular instances which is most suitable for us, because guys, the charges I mean the particular charges and cost is related with the particular I mean sizes of the instances. So the charges for the nano will be lesser one, right? Higher charges for small instances configurations part, and more charges for medium, and most for the large large configurations part. So this is a scenario. So in particular, I mean cloud guys, the servers are available in terms of the configuration sizes. We have to choose whatever we have I mean requirement for the same. Next slide. Which instance is most used in cloud? This question generally asks if we have an average requirement. So I can say that general purpose instance is most suitable used by the clients in environment. So this instance provide the balance of compute, the balance of memory, networking resources, and can be used for a variety of workloads with affordable charges as well. Because in the last slide I had explained that the charges are related to the sizes of the instances. So in a general purpose instances, we have a very good balance between compute memory and networking resources. And if we have requirement of average configurations part, then we have to go for the general purpose instances part. So it's better to choose the particular one. Next slide. This is the most frequently asked by the interviewer regarding the general purpose instance, because after asking this, the interviewer may conclude that whether you have worked in practical or not. So be cautious regarding I mean this type of questions. So what are the series of instances in a general purpose instances? So there are generally three categories, in which A series, M series, and T series are there. So in A series, medium and large configuration instances are available, or we can create the medium and large configuration server in A series. Under A series, A1 is the subcategory in which we can create the instances. Next is the M series. So under M series, only large configurations instances will be available, or we can manually I mean create the instances. The types of M series are M4, M5, M5A, M5AD, and M5D. So generally the advanced instances will be comes under the M series. Last is the T series. All sizes of instances can be available here in this T2, T3, and T3A I mean types will be available in this particular series. So one more thing guys, T2 is an free tier account here. That means if we want to test whether I mean cloud is appropriate for us or not, so for such T2 we can use T2 instance. So in T series, nano, small, medium, and large instances are available. So interviewer will also ask whether we can create the nano series like the nano instances in A series. The answer would be no, because as we can see here, under A series only medium and large configurations are available only. No, no nano and small size are available in A series. So be cautious before you giving the answer. So these are the subtypes, as I discussed, that A1 is available under A series, M4, M5, M5A, M5AD, M5D is available for M series, and for T series T2, T3 and T3A are available. Very important question here for T2. Interviewer can ask that can you tell the instances which is used for the free tier account. The right answer is T2, and T2 comes under T series, and T series is a subtype of general purpose instances. So this is the proper answer we have to say. Um, Next slide. Yes, which instance is used for the free tier account? As I explained in the last slide, T2 micro instances is a free tier eligible. Next question, can we create nano instance in a 8-tier series? The answer is no. As I explained earlier, only medium and large configuration instances can be available in 8-tier series. Come to the next slide. Yes. Can you give more clarity over A1 instance? Because A1 instance have, most popular among general purpose one. So, uh, so as we know that A1 instance comes under general purpose instance, and this series is appropriate for scale out workloads. What is scale out? Scale out means the instance have a potential to increase their configuration as per the request, that are supported by ARM ecosystem. Guys, what is ARM ecosystem? I hope this term is very new for you. So I would like to tell that ARM ecosystem is an American standard which is latestly included in the particular cloud for more efficient usage of the VMware and containers. So A1 series is very appropriate for scale out workloads that are supported by ARM ecosystem. Next slide. This instance is well suited for the following applications. This means A11. So A1 we can say that A1 instance can be suitable for the below categories. For example, if we have a requirement for an web server, right? If we need a containerized microservices, then what to use? Then we have to use the A1 services. Next is catching fleet distributed data stores applications that require ARM instruction set. So these are the certain, if we have requirement in these five applications, then we have it's good to go for A1. Come to the next slide. Uh, Now it's time to explain one by one. For example, what are web server, right? What are containerized, what are caching, what are distributed data stores, because these are the certain because these are the certain components which are used in A1. So guys, web server, what is web server? Web server is a website hosted, right? Because if we are making a website, then we have to host it somewhere. So website hosted on a server in a data center is called the web server, which is publicly available website. Next is what is containerized. Yes, containerized is the most popular feature in A1, right? Because containerized is the latest technology. I hope you have heard the name of Kubernetes and Docker. So these are the examples of containerized. But guys, what is containerized? So guys, containers are lightweight software components that run more efficiently, right? So containers are the lightweight components, because in this latest technology now guys, software components are actually splitted in a very small components, which is the latest technology. Um, so so these software components we call as containerized. So for example, a virtual machine can launch a containerized applications faster because it doesn't need to boot the operating machine. Hence, software developers can easily add multiple containers for a different for n numbers of applications in a single VM. So this is the benefit of a containerized. So Kubernetes and Docker are the best example of this site. One more thing, guys. Here there is a spelling mistake here. The difference the difference is not the correct word here. The correct word is hence a developer can easily add multiple containers for different applications. This is, guys, different. Di develop ERENT. Okay. Next is the caching one. So for caching, this is a high speed storage layer which releases the data more faster when requested by the owner. So guys, caching, because we know in the general servers now we have heard the name of caching. So guys, but in cloud, now caching is the particular caching have more advanced features than the normal server have. So in caching fleet, in particular, cloud is a very high speed storage layer which stores data and releases the data more faster when requested. Next is the distributed data stored. This provide a multi-layer storage in EC2. So guys, caching fleet and distributed data stored are related with each other. Last is the ARM instruction set, not frequently used. This is currently, so we will discuss. Later on, because this ARM instruction sets is recently added in particular cloud for A1 instances, and I have not much more idea because these are not generally used in particular cloud. So we will discuss this on later on. So that's end of the today's session. I hope these interview questions really helps you guys, and we will discuss more interview questions regarding the elastic computing 2 in the next sessions. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much.